Hey guys, what's happening? How to design Sendgrid email template. So go ahead and hit start for free. Go to the official website of sendgrid.com, and once you log in using your credentials, you're gonna see right here, this is your dashboard, right? Click on the left hand menu, right? And you're gonna see right here dynamic templates. So press it, right? And here you're gonna see all of your website dynamic, or excuse me, all of your project templates right here. I'm gonna hit this template, right? And like in the screenshot, you guys see a blue button, right? It says add a version. Just go ahead and add a version. And at the top left, you're gonna see the design template section highlighted in blue. So go ahead and press it, and you're gonna see, of course, all the templates that you can use for your email template. Basically, that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.